We're here 5 days early. We're number 6 in line. The show is in 5 days.
This is what we show our kids.
Yeah.
Kids, this is what we did back in our time.
Well, I hope you know if 21 Pilots is still touring, I'd fire myself.
Yes. Oops, wrong side. Day 2. Hello, new friends. She learned how to ride a bike. Okay.
It has to be tried first and then
Yeah, and so a democratic house.
yeah, but it's going to
political.
take more than 2 days.
Okay, so who did we find, Layla?
This is T. We don't know what gender this roly-poly is, so we gave it a good gender-neutral name. So this is T, our child, that we rescued in the Forum parking lot. Put it in the car. T.
Okay.
T. Get in the fucking bottle cap. Please, my child.
I don't have to cut.
Oh! T.
Try to do it, Jeremy.
I'm just trying to crack my hips. Oh, and again.
There's a tent and she sleeps. Whoa.
That's called an airbag.
This is going in the vlog. Shout out to Michaela. Yeah, it's day 4. I'm getting my clothes to change. And I'm just chilling out. This is our house. I'm showing off. This is where we sleep. Hey. That's so
Enjoy it.
People that want mac and cheese from me, and it's not even my mac and cheese.
Okay.
I had 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god! Last night, looking at the forum, I'm kind of sad. I'll miss everyone. Sleeping with Scotty today.
I might have a cry right now. Bendy dog.
Oreo! I would die for him.
I would die right now.
Oreo can have my spotted line.
So we'll look at
We're able to get our official wristbands.
after that, the parking lot doesn't open. The lot doesn't open until 1 o'clock. So at that point, you guys can
Oh my god, it's on my Tyler thumb too.
Don't mind the scratches I got. We're getting ready for the show now.
I know. It's been.
I'm taking over my body back in control of my shawty. I've had a lot of niggas lost keys.
Wait, do it again.
And it seems like flesh is all I got. I must have forgot. You can't trust me. I'm open the moment and close when you show up before you know what I want to see. Another direction, I'm sorry, only falls. You should
fucking kidding me? We were in here watching the fight.